Bullish Movr cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $32.77 and $61.90 by 2030. Market experts accept Movr could reach $25.49 by 2025. Bearish Movr market cost expectation for 2023 is $5.83. Movr presentation. The Moonbeam parachain utilizes the Movr structure as a testing channel. The undertaking's goal is to give Moonbeam developers a steady air so they might begin testing and investigating their dApps. A parachain planned explicitly for the Polkadot framework is Movr. We should examine the way this functions, its specialized and crucial examination, and the Movr cost figure. What is Movr? The Moonbeam idea was revealed in June 2021, and after this, Movr was laid out. A change layer 1 chain called Moonbeam duplicates the logs, memberships, keys, accounts, Web3 RPC, and other fundamental components of Ethereum. The framework licenses software engineers to assess their developments in a certified, functional computerized market. Prior to delivering their works to Moonbeam, designers can survey how well their application's capability under genuine circumstances and make important changes. Moonbeam is eminently Polkadot's most strong savvy contract, additionally viable with Ethereum. Other elements Movr and Moonbeam astonishingly increment the usefulness of the Ethereum stage. These organizations include new parts, including marking, cross-chain mixes, and on-chain administration. Along these lines, numerous Ethereum developers have found a more complex yet conspicuous organization to advance their applications. Movr specialized examination. Merchants utilize different specialized instruments for Movr cost expectations utilizing verifiable market information. A portion of the well-known specialized pointers include candle graphs. Most dealers incline toward candle graphs since they offer a larger number of subtleties than a fundamental line outline. Alice's value activity. Most extreme and least cost esteem are addressed by candles, which brokers can watch at different degrees of granularity. For example, you can choose a 1-hour candle diagram to see Moonriver's cost activity in 1 hour or a month-to-month candle example to see long-haul developments. The most well-known charts are 1 day, 4 hour, and 60 minutes. Moonriver's end and beginning qualities and the most minimal and greatest value Moonriver recorded during the given time are displayed on every candle. Noticing the light's color is likewise significant. The red candle shows that the beginning cost was lower than the end cost, while a green flame demonstrates the inverse. Moving normal. The moving normal is a much of the time involved technique for anticipating the typical exchanging cost of Moonriver. As the name infers, this strategy utilizes the typical shutting worth of Movr over a pick timescale, isolated into numerous fragments of equivalent length. For example, a SMA of 12-day for Movr is determined by adding shutting costs of the most recent 12 days of Movr and afterward partitioning it by 12. Notwithstanding, merchants likewise use the EMA, an alternate moving normal, notwithstanding the SMA. The EMA answers the ongoing cost development all the more quickly on the grounds that it stresses late valuation. Among the most frequently used pointers in the cryptographic money market to decide normal estimate cost and pinpoint critical help and obstruction levels are 200-day, 100-day, and 50-day moving midpoints. Any move over these patterns by the Movr cost is ordinarily deciphered as certain news for Moonriver. Moonriver flow cost. Moonriver is presently worth $7.28 USD. Movr has moved 2.23% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,329,560. Moonriver is presently positioned 387 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $40,056,612 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Moonriver to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Moonriver Value Forecast 2023. Moonriver, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Movr cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $10.92. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $10.19 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and headway. Movr is supposed to have a base worth of $8.74. Moonriver Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Moonriver Movr cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Movr will before long outperform $18.20. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Movr's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Movr will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $14.56 and a typical exchanging cost of $16.02. Moonriver Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $25.49 and Movr might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Movr is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $23.30 and a low of $21.85 in 2025. Moonriver Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Moonriver effectively supports market opinion among digital money fans, the Movr coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Movr will be green in 2026. The Movr is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $32.77, with a base cost of $29.13 and a typical cost of $30.58. Moonriver Value Forecast 2027. After some broad watching and specialized investigation, we gauge the Movr cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $37.87 by 2027, with a base cost of $36.41 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Movr has a greatest value worth of $40.05. Moonriver Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $45.15. In the event that Movr figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $47.33. Neglecting to assemble the help Movr needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $43.69. Moonriver Value Expectation 2029. While Movr is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $50.97 and a yearly cost close above $54.61 in 2029. Moonriver Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Moonriver will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $58.26 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $61.90, averaging out at $59.71. Moonriver Value Forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Movr cost in 2031 is projected to be $71.36 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $68.45. And, with Moonriver now available, creative masterminds can analyze unafraid of disappointment. One of the best-in-class advancements